This feature is especially important when working with delicate tile designs, ensuring that each cut is clean and precise. Such as curves and sharp angles, all while maintaining the integrity and appearance of the tile. As it does not emit harmful gases or create heat zones that can affect As environmental awareness grows, the eco-friendly nature of water jet cutting gains prominence. No harmful chemicals are used in this method, making it safe for both operators and the environment. Its water recycling capabilities further underscore its sustainability, positioning it as an eco-conscious choice in modern manufacturing and design industries. Recent developments have seen increases in cutting speed and improvements in software that controls the jets, allowing for even finer control over the cutting process. These technological improvements not only boost productivity but also enhance the quality of the finished products. In conclusion, water jet cutting is revolutionizing the way we work with materials, providing a potent combination of precision, efficiency, and sustainability. Join us as we explore how water jet cutting not only enhances the efficiency of cutting practices but also expands the creative possibilities in tile design, making it a preferred choice for projects requiring meticulous detailing and fine craftsmanship.